The Sandstone Wonders region is awe-inspiring. More than 25 mountain ranges make up the area, and for its sheer size and scale, it's known as the Roof of Queensland. Gaping valleys and plains rise up to towering cliff tops, interrupted by deep gorges, rocky outcrops and flowing freshwater streams.
Many of the parks in the region are remote and have minimal services, so you will need to be self-sufficient and plan ahead. Isla Gorge, Lake Murphy, Expedition National Park, Corumbat Tops and Nathan Gorge being just some of the gems. Each park has its own remarkable features and landmarks with diverse flora, fauna and topographical conditions. The Sandstone Wonders, so unique you'll want to visit them all.
Get back to nature. Experience the simple pleasures of our national parks within the Sandstone Wonders.